my YouTube channel webcodecamp. In this tutorial I'm gonna discuss with you about Vue.js 3. Discuss about every prefix like that partiality DOM. At first, what is partiality DOM? Vue.js makes the uses of virtual DOM, where is also used by the other frameworks such as React, Ember, etc. The changes are not made by not the DOM. Instead of the replace of the DOM is created, which is present in the form of JavaScript data structure. Whenever any change are to be made, they are made to be JavaScript like the TypeScript data structure, and later is just compared with the original data structure. The final changes are then updated to the real DOM, which is user you will see the changing. This is good in terms of the optimization. It is less expensive and the changes can be made of the faster rate. That's the virtual DOM. Actually virtual DOM is useful for the Vue.js programmers. Then I'll discuss about data binding. What is data binding? Data binding features helps manipulate or assign values to the HTML attributes and change the style and assign classes with the help of binding directives called the bbind available with the Vue.js. That's the data binding. I will show it in the practical example in the next tutorial. Okay, then I'll discuss about components. What is component? Component are one of the important feature of the Vue.js that helps create the custom element which can be reused in the HTML like that. Any component, then you can use it the reused. That's its component. Okay, then next, event handling. Next, event handling is the attribute is added to the DOM elements to listen to the events in Vue.js. What is template? Templates, the Vue.js provided HTML based, and templates the bind the DOM with Vue.js instant data. Vue compiles the templates into the virtual DOM or render function. We can make use of a template of the render function, and to do so you have to replace the template with the render functionalities. That's it called the template. Okay, then directives. What is directives? Directives is Vue.js has a built-in of directives such as bf and belse and bshow, bon and bbind and bmodel like that, which are the used to the performance various section on the front end. That's the called directives. Then watchers. What is watchers? Watchers are they applied to the data and that changes. For example, for input element here we don't have to add any additional events. Watcher takes care of the handling system in the data changes, making of the code and simpler and fastest. So we are watchers is the very important in the part of Vue.js. Then routing. What is routing? Routing is the navigation between pages or performance with the helps of the Vue router. Okay, then lightweight. What is lightweight in the Vue.js? Vue.js is the script is very lightweight and the performance is also very fast. Then Vue CLI. Vue.js can be the installed on the command line using the Vue CLI command line interface. It helps to build a compile to the project easily and using of the Vue CLI. Okay, that's it. When we are creating the when we will create the project, then obviously we are use in this Vue.js CLI is the most important for the every project. And okay, then comparison with others framework. I don't compare with the another framework like because it is lightweight and simply use this Vue.js 3. That's for I think Vue.js is the better than React.js, and for that its simplicity and lightweight. Okay, now let us compare Vue.js with the others frameworks such as React, Angular and Ember, Knockout and Polymer. I don't know about Ember and Knockout and Polymer. For that I just use the two framework just now, Vue.js and React.js. Okay, then installation tools. I will show you how you will install this process in Vue.js in the another tutorial. Okay, the I will give it in the I button in the another tutorial. How can you install this Vue.js 3? Okay, and I will give it in my description below. Vue.js how you will install this Vue.js 3 popularity. Actually, I think React.js is popular than Vue.js. The job opportunity with the React.js more than Vue.js. There is a big name behind the React.js, like that Facebook, which is it make more popular since React uses of the core concept of JavaScript. It uses of the best practices of the JavaScript. One who workers of the React will definitely very good and with all of the JavaScript concept. Vue.js is the developing framework. Presently, this job is opportunity with the Vue.js.